Hello guys, it is me back with another video on FMG question, and today I am going to discuss the nerves of the upper limb, especially focusing on the ulnar nerve. So guys, nerve passing behind the marked structure. Is it radial nerve, ulnar nerve, median nerve, or musculocutaneous nerve? Pause and try to answer this question.
So, guys, in order to answer this question, we need to first understand the brachial plexus. So, guys, what is the brachial plexus? It is basically the network of nerves supplying the upper limb. Okay. So, we have got C5. We have got five roots, three trunks, six divisions, three cords, and five branches. Okay. Repeat after me. We have got five roots, three trunks, six divisions, three cords, and five branches. Okay. Five roots we have got C5, C6, C7, C8, and T1. Okay. Now these roots, now C5 and C6, they converge to form the superior trunk. Okay. C7 continues to form the middle trunk, and C8 and T1 they converge to form the inferior trunk. Okay. Now, as it passes down, down, the trunk they divide into two branches. The superior trunk it divides into anterior and posterior branch. Here you can see the anterior branch in the black color, and yellow color represents posterior branch. Okay, divisions, or you can say. Okay, so yeah, and then we have got chords: lateral cord, posterior cord, and the middle cord. Lateral cord is formed by the C5, C6, and C7. As you can see in this diagram, this is the okay. And posterior cord is formed by the it is formed by the all the posterior divisions of the trunks, superior, middle, and inferior trunk. This is the yellow color. So yeah, and middle cord is formed by the so guys, as you can see in this diagram, this is the diagram showing ulnar nerve, and the ulnar nerve is derived from the medial cord, which is again derived from the anterior division of the inferior trunk. Okay, and this inferior trunk is again formed by the C8 and T1 spinal root, ventral rami. Okay, anatomical position of the ulnar nerve. So guys, as we all know that the ulnar nerve it originates from the middle cord of the brachial plexus, and it commences down medially around the arm, and then passes down to the middle epicondyle of the humerus, and then through the ulnar groove it enters the forearm, innervating flexor carpi ulnaris muscle and flexor digitorum profundus muscle. Okay, and it enters the hand, giving so superficial branch, dorsal branch, palmar branch, intraosteal branch, and proper palmar digital nerves. Okay.
So guys, let us summarize what we have learned in this table. So, ulnar nerve muscles which are supplied by the ulnar nerve include flexor carpi ulnaris and the flexor digitorum profundus ulnar half in the forearm, and it has two branches, superior ulnar nerve and the deep ulnar nerve. Okay, superior ulnar nerve, it innervates palmaris brevis muscle, and deep ulnar nerve, it, it innervates the hand muscles, especially the hypothenar muscles. Okay, uh, which are abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, opponents digiti minimi, third and fourth lumbricals, dorsal and palmar introsseous muscles, adductor pollicis and the flexor pollicis brevis deep head. Okay, and coming to the sensory supply. So sensory supply, it innervates the palm of the hand as well as the dorsum of hand, but it only innervates the middle middle half up to the half of the ring finger. Okay, and same to the dorsal side or the dorsum of the hand. Okay, this figure also again shows the cutaneous distribution of the ulnar nerve. So pause and try to memorize the cutaneous innervation of the ulnar nerve. I am sure that you have the answer to this question. Nerve passing behind the marg structure. It is ulnar nerve. Okay, so thank you and bye, guys.